Hi Cancers, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Cancers. Let us see what is coming up, guys. We'll be picking a few cards, guys, for your daily energy. So these are for your daily energies, guys, and we'll be picking cards from the oracle deck for your career situation. So this is for your career situation, Cancers, and this is for your relationship, and I'll be picking one card from the angel deck. So we will open the cards now, guys. So for your daily energies, two of wands in reverse, page of pentacles in reverse, ace of wands. So with these cards, Cancers, I see here that you are moving towards some new beginnings, guys. Maybe in your career or in your personal life. Maybe a new person coming your way, and some important challenging situations, something which you are really passionate about, some adventurous new beginnings are coming towards you, guys. Maybe you are a person interested in some form of sport, so some career move in some field of sports, maybe, guys. Something adventurous is coming your way. That is what I see here. And maybe for some of you all, guys, you may be spending lavishly. You may be buying luxurious things, gifts for your person or your friends or family, and you may be gifting them, or it may be for you, you are buying some very expensive things. That is what I feel here. And you are spending lot of money, guys, to satisfy yourself, maybe, or some family members or this person, you are gifting them. That is what I see here. And also for some of you all, it may be a surprise gift. You want to gift them, maybe for their birthday or something, some surprise gifts, guys, or you may be getting some surprise gifts from this person you love, or you may be planning to gift them something, some very expensive gift. You are planning for that, guys. That is what I see here. And you are, maybe you are you want to gift them and propose, get engaged. That is also the energy here, guys. So something you are bubbling with that happiness and joy. That is the reason you want to give them and show your happiness, guys. That is what I see here. So what is the oracle's guidance for your career situation? Yin. So with this card, guys, the oracle's guidance for your career situation is this is the time for you to have that receptiveness, guys. So not always can we make the first move. So sometimes we have to let the other person also make the first move. So we are going in for that conscious allowing. So in our work situations, we do not have to make the decisions each and every time. Sometimes when people come towards us with a particular choice, maybe some collaborations, or they are offering some ideas, let them come towards you, guys. Give them power to make that decision. So when you do that, when you allow things happen consciously, you will see how things are going in a very smooth way. So we cannot be the person who has to make the decisions, who has to be the one who is giving all the suggestions, or maybe taking all the decisions, all the responsibilities. Sometimes we have to be that open vessel of receptivity, so we have to be there to receive those gifts or suggestions or gestures, whatever is coming our way. So when we do that, we open ourselves to more love and abundance in our life, guys. So that is what this oracle guidance is for your career situation, guys. So for your relationship, what is the card? Chaos and conflict. So with this card, guys, the energy may be in your situation. You may have some kind of tensions, maybe, or it may be a happy tension. You are just thinking whether this person is going to accept your proposal or not. So stubbornness is the only reason for your stress today, guys. That is what I see here. So instead of having that stubbornness, thinking that you are right all the time, and thinking that the other person is always wrong, you should know what is important to you. If you know in your heart of hearts that this person is important to you, and you have that love for this person, and that is important to you, you will know what you need to do to resolve this situation, guys. So when you let this situation to cool down, you can patch things up. So that is what this oracle card is about. So when things are not going as you expected, maybe you are facing some arguments, some stressful situations, if you have that deep understanding, you have to wait till the stormy emotions are cleared out, and when you wait, you will use that time constructively to have that better understanding, guys. So you will see the path, what you need to do after you have overcome that stressful situation. So that is the guidance. So this situation is just there to just shake us up, tell us what is the truth, make us understand the truth, make us see the truth. So we will know the clear solution, the clear truth when we face such stressful situations, guys. So that is the oracle's guidance here, Cancers. So let us see what is the angel card for you all, guys. Be content. So with this card, guys, whatever the situation is, we have to have that acceptance, guys, in our situation. So things may not go how we expected. So certain things may happen as we had a vision for ourselves. Certain situations may not go as we had expected. So whatever is our environment, whatever is our situation, we need to embrace it totally, and we need to accept our situation and live one day at a time. Not think about the past, whatever that was in the past, and think about stress ourselves about the future and keep worrying. So instead of all that, we have to be happy for what we are today, feel that happiness in us, and feel grateful for what we have today, and live our life happily, guys, with that peace of mind. So that is the oracle's guidance here for you all, Cancers, and that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Cancers. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.